All right, we are currently using Perplexity AI, and this is the tool that I use instead of Google search because this tool just searched the entire internet and come back with the best results. Instead of reading multiple articles, it put everything into one bash, and I don't have to read hundreds of articles. I could just read one article with the references, right? So I'm going to ask this AI, uh, tell me, tell me the best 15 or maybe we could say give me the best 15 productivity apps, uh, productivity AI tools for. Now you could put for whatever just so it could be specific. You can put for YouTubers, for digital marketers, for entrepreneurs, whatever you and I'm going to put for content creators, right? Content creators. Like if you create videos for YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, the list goes on, then you're a content creator. It could be for anything, right? So I'm going, okay, there's multiple option, pro, auto, reasoning. I always leave it on pro, but if I'm asking it to solve like a problem, like, hey, what's the best way for me to invest $20,000? Then it have to solve certain things. Like let's take 1,000 and put it here, 2,000 and put it there. Then I'll probably use reasoning, but let's leave it in auto. Boom, we go into search, right? As you can see, this little button here, it's basically going in with it. It's trying to find the answers, right? So be a little patient. I'm gonna show you some stuff, right? Now, it just came back with the 15 AI tools. Let's say if you didn't like those, you can scroll all the way at the bottom and click uh, rewrite. Then it will basically rerun that process again. Now, as you can see, there's numbers next to each answers, right? Or next to each tools. This is where it's getting the information from, which something we would call references, right? These are the references, right? If you click this, it will take you to a page, and that page, this is where it grabbed this information from, right? Instead of you having to read that entire article, it just bring it back to you in one place, right? Check this out. Jasper AI is a very good tool. Inside of Jasper AI, you could come up with YouTube. You can write YouTube script. You could optimize YouTube videos. You can write blog posts. Jasper AI is amazing. Yes, that is a good productivity tool. Midjourney, that is crazy. I was just doing a video about Midjourney, right? I was just using Midjourney to basically create GT. It's a video game that is about to come out. It's very popular, so I wanted to create a trailer for my fans. And it's GTA 6 basically. For those who knows, you know, right? So inside of Midjourney, you can generate any type of images. You can put a picture of your face and generate a picture of you in a suit, a picture of you in a car, a picture of you in an airplane, whatever you could think. If you could write what you thinking, you could transform it into a image with Midjourney. Copy I never use that, but as you can see, it's a leading AI driven copyright tool to generate high converting marketing copy. Great. Is it Dell 3 or Dell E? Dali or Dell? I'm not sure. Okay, we have this one, Phrase.io, Beautiful AI Content Genie. I heard about this tool, but never used it before. GPT-3 with OpenAI. Okay. Uh, we have this one, and the list goes on. Actually, out of those 15, the only two that I've used, Jasper AI and Midjourney, right? So once again, this is Perplexity. I will create a video where I basically go deep, give a deep tutorial on how I use Perplexity, but this is another way that I use it, right? What is going on here? Yeah, this is another way I use it. I just, anything that I want answers to, I just ask Mid-Journey, I say Mid-Journey, I'm sorry, Perplexity, instead of having to read multiple articles. All right. So yeah, now let's click rewrite and see what we comes up with. And I'm going to click. See, now it's asking us to pay. I think we need what I would say, in order to rewrite, we probably need the pro plan. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to reset this, start back from the beginning, put in the same prompt, and press go. I think it gave us the exact same thing, except for these two, because I think that, was this in it the first time? I'm not sure. But if we say productivity tools for let's say, should we do YouTubers? Let's do YouTubers. Yes, there you go. Now, if you create a lot of videos, you're a YouTuber, or you plan on putting you uploading videos on YouTube for your business, whatever. These are some great tools. I use TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is basically a tool that help you optimize your YouTube videos, also help you do YouTube research, what videos uh uh it help you study other videos, like their keywords, how well they doing, which keywords are ranking in the search engine, and the list goes on. vidIQ is very similar to help you with keyword research, SEO, and the list goes on. My number one tool out of every AI tool in the world is Notion. This is my database. This is where I keep all my information for every single thing you can think of. And in the future, once I do a video about Notion, you will be like, OMG, give me more. Notion is amazing. ChatGPT is great, but instead of ChatGPT, I'm using Perplexity, as you can see right now. In Video AI, that's if you don't want to edit or create your own videos, you can use NVIDIA AI to help you edit videos. I used it in the past, but not as much. Up this clip, oh my God, that is amazing. That is amazing. If you have podcasts, if you have a podcast, you have long clips and you want to turn them into shorts, you know what? I'm going to do a video about Optis clips as soon as I'm done with this one so I can show you guys. Yes, and then I have not used this one, not used it. Epidemic Sound, yes, Epidemic Sounds. If you're looking for soundtracks, sound effects for your videos, you can basically use Epidemic Sound to, yeah, non-copyright sound effects, music, tracks for your videos. And you don't want to get no copyright strikes on YouTube. So, in any other platforms, I think even Pinterest will hit you with a copyright strike. But if you use an Epidemic Sound, you're good to go. I think it's only $19 a month, and then they give you copyright-free vids. Vid.io is similar to NVIDIA AI. And Audio Library AI, never used that one. But anyway, this is what I use this tool for. It's Perplexity. If you want me to create a longer video where I explain every part of Perplexity, let me know. All right? Talk to you soon.